Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions so the app can access camera, microphone, and storage. Once done, wipe the lens and set a tripod or steady grip. This prevents blur. Now open the camera app and pick photo or video mode and make sure the grid and aspect ratio are visible. This helps composition. You should also glance at format settings and toggle HDR or RAW if you need higher detail. These first steps get you ready to capture consistently good shots. You compose by framing with the grid, then tap to focus on your subject and drag the exposure slider to balance light. Make sure to switch lenses, wide for scenes, telephoto for distance, ultra-wide for dramatic angles, using the 1x, 2x markers as needed. If you need motion shots, enable burst or set a timer for hands-free shooting. For portraits, choose portrait or aperture mode. Once you understand these adjustments, manual mode becomes a powerful tool to control shutter, ISO, and white balance precisely. You capture by tapping the shutter or use the volume button as a remote trigger. After each take, review quickly and crop or delete in the gallery to save space. Make sure to use flash only when necessary. Prefer a reflector or natural fill light for better results. If the app flickers, won't save, or shows black frames, restart the app, clear its cache, and verify permissions. If problems persist, reboot the phone. This final sequence gets you polished photos and a clear fix if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.